guys, for this project we are using the Crescent 16-ounce all-purpose hammer, making sure that this is going the right way. Now, you guys have come to love the way that I incorporate everyday tools, usually we're just going to be quite frank, gearhead tools, into my projects. So for this one, I wanted to be able to basically beat up some epoxy. Now for me, being able to utilize a hammer that has a smooth front here, let me see, right? So I'm not getting waffle marks on the epoxy, as well as something that is good enough to use in my little bitty hands here. So you guys are going to see me utilizing this Crescent hammer in a pretty cool way in order to make a little bitty art project. Now the reason I went with this art project was because I wanted to be able to capitalize on all of the changes and things that have been going on here. You might notice that my space is not my big giant shop. And for those of you who haven't been following along on other social channels, you may not have known that I moved my shop into a garage in Idaho, right? So long story there.
It's a long story.
But in the meantime, I'm having to create in this little bitty garage again and learn how to function off of a small space. That's okay, because I was able to take out some aggression on this epoxy project utilizing this hammer. It was actually quite neat, except for like in slow motion, you're gonna see me, and so I don't want to hear anything, safety police, okay? You're gonna see me like miss and go down. That or my video editor is gonna make it out. Donovan, we're gonna have to talk about this. So if you're hearing this, this is like a, if you're hearing this, here's what happened story. But how about we get to the build, you guys? And also, I think I'm gonna include both parts in there. Both parts are, the first one, it did not turn out how I wanted it to. Well, actually, technically it was the second one. But I think that's just gonna have to stay because it's gonna be part of the story now. So let's get to the build. Again, using the Crescent 16-ounce all-purpose hammer from the Home Depot. And here we go.
It is so satisfying.
It did not turn out how I wanted it.
You're one and only.